students, today we are going to start the next topic, that is differentiation. Now the first question is, what is differentiation? है क्या differentiation? Differentiation, write down, it is an operation that allows us to find a function that outputs the rate of change of one function, the rate of change of one variable with respect to other. एक ऐसा ऑपरेशन that allows us to find a function that outputs, जिसका आउटपुट क्या हो, rate of change of one variable with respect to other, or we can say that differentiation is rate of change of a function, rate of change of function, or what we can say that it is all about, write down, it is all about rate of change of one quantity compared to other. It is all about rate of change of one quantity with respect to another. And when we need differentiation, it is rate of change of one quantity compared to another. Or when we need it, when we need differentiation, and why? We need differentiation when the rate of change is not constant. We need differentiation when rate of change is not constant, एक जैसा नहीं है change. And why? क्यों पड़ी? To find instantaneous change, जो एकदम उसमें चेंज हुआ है, इधर इंक्रीजिंग और डिक्रीजिंग, उसे फाइंड करने के लिए हमें डिफरेंशिएशन की जरूरत पड़ी. Now let us take one example when the rate of change is constant and the other when rate of change is not constant. Rate of change, when rate of change is constant and when rate of change is not constant. When rate of change is constant, let us suppose that the car is traveling at speed of 60 km per hour. It means in time 1 hour the car is traveling the distance of 60 km. Since rate of change is constant, it means in first 1 hour car is traveling 60 km. In next car is again traveling 60 km, and in next hour, this is time in hours and this is distance in kilometers. Since in equal interval of time the distance covered is equal, first hour may be 60, second hour may be, third may be, fourth may be, and so on. So the rate of change is constant. अगर हम पूछे now 5 hours में जो कार है कितना distance travel करेगी? Since rate of change is constant, so 5 into 60 we can say 300 kilometer. Clear? So rate of change constant है, car will travel distance of 300 kilometer. Now let us take an example when rate of change is not constant. Let us throw a ball straight up in the air. Because of gravity, it acts on the ball. So ball first goes up, then its speed, velocity will become 0 at one point, then it moves down. Clear? First ball goes up, then at one point ऐसा आएगा रिवर्स इट्स डायरेक्शन। अगर हम बात करें जब बॉल अप जा रही थी तो इसकी वेलोसिटी पॉजिटिव थी। एक पॉइंट ऐसा आया जहां पे स्टेबल होगी, वहां पे वेलोसिटी 0 थी, स्टेशनरी पॉइंट। जब डिक्रीज करना बॉल ने दोबारा वापस आना शुरू किया ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी, तो उसकी जो वेलोसिटी थी नेगेटिव हो गई। व्हेन वेलोसिटी पॉजिटिव थी तो एक्सेलरेशन नेगेटिव थी। व्हाट इज वेलोसिटी? ds upon dt, distance covered in particular time, and acceleration is rate of change of velocity with respect to time. So when the velocity is negative, then the acceleration is positive. So there is a change. Velocity पहले positive हो रही है, then zero, then decreasing. The rate of change is not constant. ऐसा नहीं है कि जिस particular speed से बॉल ऊपर गई थी उसी से ही ऊपर जाके और उसी से ही वापस आ रही है। नो, एक पॉइंट ऐसा है जब उसकी स्पीड बिल्कुल स्लो हो गई, वेलोसिटी 0, देन इट फॉल्स डाउन, तो वेलोसिटी नेगेटिव। और वी कैन से दैट डिफरेंशिएशन इज टू चॉप थिंग्स इनटू फाइनल्स। हमने इंटीग्रेशन क्या कहता था? इंटीग्रेशन इज टू कलेक्ट ऑल द फाइनल्स एंड डिफरेंशिएशन इज टू चॉप ऑल द थिंग्स इनटू फाइनल्स। ना अगर हम नोटेशंस की बात करें, डिफरेंशिएशन के लिए हम क्या नोटेशंस यूज करते हैं? Suppose we have function f of x, let it equal to y, then we can write derivative as either f dash x or d upon dx of that function. We take it equal to y, so we can write it as dy upon dx. If we want to write the higher order derivative, suppose second order derivative, then we can write it as this, or d square y upon dx square, and similarly for other third order derivative, d cube y upon dx cube. So these are the notations that we will use to find the derivatives. Now next are some formulas for the derivatives which we will use to find the derivative. So let us discuss that. Derivative of a constant term is 0. डेरिवेटिव और इंटीग्रेशन के फॉर्मूलाज को मिक्स नहीं करना है, दे आर ऑपोजिट, सो बी केयरफुल व्हाइल अप्लाइंग फॉर्मूलाज इन डिफरेंशिएशन और इन इंटीग्रेशन. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x पावर n and x n minus 1, derivative of log of x, that is 1 upon x when base is e. Derivative of exponential term ex, derivative of a power x is a power x log a power x log a. Derivative of log of ax, here base is e, here the base is a, then we can write it as 1 upon x log with base e a, log a with base e. Now derivative of sine of x is cos of x. Derivative of cos of x is minus sine of x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. Derivative of cot of x is minus cosec square x. Derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. Note up to here. Next is derivative of cosec x. Derivative of cosec of x is minus cosec x cot of x. Now derivative of some inverse functions. Derivative of sine inverse x, 1 upon square root of x square minus 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of cos cos inverse x is minus 1 upon 1 minus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Derivative of cot inverse x is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now derivative of sec inverse x, 1 upon modulus of x into square root of x square minus 1. Derivative of cosec inverse x minus 1 upon modulus of x square minus 1. So these are the derivatives of inverse trigonometric function. Now some formulas for derivatives. When we want to take the derivative of two terms that are in product, u into v, because let's two terms are in product form, u and v, we want to find the derivative of this. That is equals to first function derivative of second plus second function as it is derivative of first. First function derivative of second plus second as it is derivative of first. We want to take derivative of constant into some function. Then we can write the constant outside and take the derivative of that function. Now if the two terms are in division form, u upon v, then what is the formula to find the derivative? V square u dash v minus v dash u, u v dash. U dash means derivative of u with respect to x. Means derivative of first function into second function minus in the middle first function as it is and derivative of second function. Now when the question is in chain rule से अगर हमने डेरिवेटिव सॉल्व करना है, let z is the function of y and y is the function of x. जो y है वो x की फॉर्म में है और जो z है वो y की फॉर्म में है and we want to find dz upon dx. Since it is in y, so we will differentiate this function with respect to y. This is in x, so we differentiate this with respect to x and multiply their derivatives. Dy will get cancelled. We get the value of dz upon dx, or we can write it as dz upon dy upon dx upon dy भी लिख सकते हैं, but it is simpler form. क्या करेंगे हम? जो फंक्शन जिसके फॉर्म में है उसके with respect to डेरिवेटिव लेना है. Since that is function in y, so differentiate it with respect to y. It is in function is with respect to x, so differentiate this function with respect to x. After that, multiply their derivative. Dy will get cancelled and we get the value of dz upon dx. Now, if we have a function y as f of x power g of x, this is logarithmic type. To solve the derivative, because these both are functions in x but in power. So what we have to do first, in these types of question, first we taking log on both sides. जब हमने दोनों तरफ log लिया, log of y, clear? Now m power x या a power x, अगर इसका log लेंगे, this function आगे आ जाएगा x, gx is gx log of f of x. Now these are two functions in the product form, gx and log of fx. Since the function is in x, so we will have to differentiate with respect to x to get the value of dy upon dx. Clear? अगर पावर के रूप में हमारे पास फंक्शन है तो सबसे पहले लॉग लेना है, लॉग लेने के बाद जिस भी फॉर्म में फंक्शन है उसके विद रिस्पेक्ट टू हमें डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना है। नेक्स्ट इज पैरामीट्रिक फॉर्म। पैरामीट्रिक फॉर्म में क्या है, अगर हमारे पास दो फंक्शन है, x है t में और y फंक्शन भी है t में, x t में है y भी t में है, and we want to find the value of dy upon dx. dy upon dx कैसे होगा? These are functions in terms of t, so we can write it as dy upon dt, dt upon dx, because dt will get cancelled and then we get dy upon dx, or we can write it as dy upon dt upon dx upon dt. First differentiate this function with respect to t, differentiate this function with respect to t, then dy upon dt upon dx upon dt. When it goes up, then dt will get cancelled and we get the value of dy upon dx. यहाँ पे कैंसिल नहीं होगा, दिस इज फॉर सिंप्लीफिकेशन, आई एम टेलिंग यू कि dt कैंसिल हो जाएगा। यहाँ पे तो हमारे पास टर्म आएगी dy upon dt आ गया phi dash t and dx upon dt आ गया psi dash t. तो दिस इज द आंसर। जो भी हमारे पास टर्म होगी उसका जो भी डेरिवेटिव आएगा that will be the answer. So this is parametric form. और अगर हमारे पास दो टर्म्स हैं एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन में, suppose we want to find the derivative of two terms when they are in addition or subtraction form, then we can write it as du upon dx, whether the sign, whatever is the sign, plus or minus dv upon dx. Note up to here. Now next, when u and v are two functions in x, then what is the value of du upon dx? Du, we want to find du upon dv. Du is a function of x, so du upon dx. V is also function of x, so dv upon dx. Now next is, if fx, gx, ux, vx, if fx, gx, ux, vx are functions of x, and delta is their derivative, delta x is their determinant, then we can write determinant delta as f of x, gx, ux, vx. We can write the determinant as this. Now we want to find the derivative of this determinant. So derivative of this determinant, we can write it as f dash x, g dash x, ux, vx, or we can write it as fx, gx, u dash x, v dash x, this plus this, or we can write it as f dash x, u dash x, gx, vx plus f of x, u of x, g dash x and v dash x. Then we can find the derivative by using these formulas. Now next जो हम इस चैप्टर में डिस्कस करेंगे, that is mean value theorem and Rolle's value theorem. So what is the mean value theorem says? interval AB to R is continuous function. This function is continuous on closed interval AB and differentiable on open interval AB. Then there exists C belongs to open interval AB such that f dash C is equals to fb minus fa upon b minus a. मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम क्या कह रही है? अगर कोई फंक्शन क्लोज्ड इंटरवल ए बी से आर में कॉन्टिन्यूस है, क्लोज्ड इंटरवल पे डिफरेंशिएबल है ओपन इंटरवल पे, तो या इसमें ओपन इंटरवल ए बी में कोई ऐसी वैल्यू एग्जिस्ट करती है, देन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दैट फंक्शन एट दैट पॉइंट इज इक्वल्स टू fb minus fa upon b minus a. एंड रोल वैल्यूज थ्योरम क्या कहती है? First two conditions will be same for Rolle's value theorem also. Rolle's value theorem. Let f is the function from closed interval AB to R that is continuous on closed interval AB is differentiable on open interval AB. Then there exists C. Then there exists C such that f of A is equals to f of B. Then there exists C belongs to